I want to take him home. He'd be my best friend forever. One, two, three. It's not enough. I can't bring him home.
Bloom, it's okay to feel sad.
It is?
It's okay to want something with your whole heart.
Maybe. One day.
I wish you were here, right by my side, chewing my slippers, silly oh my. Fur on my hair, brush everywhere, always, I don't mind at all, you're my family. Puppy of my dreams, puppy of my dreams, I want you here with me, it seems. Puppy of my dreams, puppy of my dreams, you and me, that's my dream. We run through the park, racing so fast, you bring me a stick, wagging your tail. I give you a bath, brush your soft fur, you wag and you wiggle, happy with me. Puppy of my dreams, puppy of my dreams, I want you here with me, it seems. Puppy of my dreams, puppy of my dreams, you and me, that's my dream. When the thunder rumbles outside my window, I'm not scared at all when you're by my side. I'll hug you tight and whisper, don't be scared. Together we're braver, my faithful friend. One day I'll shine up on the stage so bright, you'll be right there, my very best friend. A medal to wear, but you know what matters, you were right there, that's what matters most. And before I sleep, when the light goes low, you curl up close, my best friend, my own. Soft little breath, soft fur on my cheek, that's the dream I dream every single day. Puppy of my dreams, puppy of my dreams, I want you here with me, it seems. Puppy of my dreams, puppy of my dreams, you and me, that's my dream come true.
But how? I didn't have enough money.
While you were dreaming, we broke our piggy banks and ran to the store.
We had just enough together.
Wow, you really did this for me? What should I call him? I guess waiting really was worth it.
What's a dream you think about a lot?
Subscribe! See you in the next story!
Wait, what if I call him Jingle?